Well, welcome back to the channel, Old Cars New Van.
So, very late 80s Ford Escort Cabriolet, a later Escort from the 90s, and then obviously the MG, two Peugeot, and a rather splendid Ford behind it in that sort of very gold 70s colour. Now I'm going to make a fool of myself here. Is that a Granada, or is it at that age badged as something else? It's the 3 litre. It's lovely. As he subtly tries to wake his way to the back. No, it is the Granada at that age. Yeah. Never quite know. V8 G, obviously the same engine as in our Rover P6. That's an MGC because of the bulge in the bonnet. That's a very large American GMC van, which is cool. More modern BMW. Oh, I like the GT6 behind it. That's very nice. Very nice indeed. And then the fully rally prepared Chevette. I'm not expert enough to know whether that is genuine or not, or whether that is a mock-up, but it looked very impressive, whatever it is. It certainly sounds the part as well. Then we have a Lotus. I'm still hearing the Chevette. Let's get back to the Chevette. That is quite cool. Full Lombard RAC Rally livery on the side. Yeah, that's really cool. Nice little Mini. Early one. Exposed door hinges and slidey front windows. Sounds like a crash gearbox as well. Astra GTE from the 90s. Wonder if it's got the digital dashboard in it. Hey, there's a Rover P6 V8. We're not in ours today, as you know, but it's good to see. I think that's tobacco leaf, isn't it? Tobacco leaf brown. Excellent. And behind the Rover, another early Mini. Very, very early Mini. It's quite delicious. And it's much newer, noisier cousin behind. Of course, this is when some of these older cars start struggling a little bit in the queue with heating and trying to keep everything circulating. I'm sure that's why he's revving a little bit there, trying to keep the water pump going. P100 Sierra based pickup, again, rare now. The BRM Rover with the very distinctive orange grille and the lovely red interior. We do like those. Monaro? Is that Monaro? No, it's not. It's the... I was on the right lines, you know where I was coming from. It's the VXR, the sort of Holden V8. I think we've seen this one before. It's very nice though, the Honda NRX. Festival of the Unexceptional Special, Toyota Corolla. Gosh, that's early. Early Maxi. Early Maxi. My goodness me. Great colour for it as well. Really great colour for it. But yeah, that's great. Triumph. Brad Van Polo. I had one of those. If you go onto one of the videos on this channel of all the cars I've ever owned, that was actually my second car, 1982, bright yellow. XR3, maybe an I, maybe not at that age. Y plate, what's that, 83, relatively early. better model, not the XR3i. Thought it was at that age. The I came in fractionally after that. It's very cool. We'll have a little look at that later. This is the Dolomite. Very good. And a Merlot special edition MX-5 in that colour, rolling in. There's the Escort and the Wolseley following up behind. So yeah, considering how early we are, this looks like it's going to be a good turnout today. Nice little Spitfire. I was going to say Riley Elf, but I don't think it is. I think it's the Wolseley. Yes, it's the Wolseley variant, all badge engineering obviously at that age. 280 SL, MGB, another early Mini. I wonder if they're just waving at me. It's nice. Nice moggy. Very nice, very clean. Let's have a look back at that Mini Minor, because that's of course how they were badged at that age. 80s Merc, very nice. Bit modern for me, but I like that. The Alpina. Oh yes. Yes please. 97? Something like that. That's very pleasant. Goodness me, if this is what I think it is, this is a rarity coming in. Is this a Fiat Topolino? Pushing my very limited brain cells here. I think it is. Wow. It's, yes, based on the little Fiat. Amazing. He's rubbing his hands, trying to look cold. It's probably about 10 degrees at the moment, so that is quite a brave effort. Very bright left-hand drive Ford. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
It's a very bright car.
Very bright morning.
It is indeed.
Morning, bright behind me.
An orange one behind, indeed, yes. Now then, obviously that one, 78, very much Granada. This one, early 70s. Okay, yeah, Granada GXL. I'm always wary to call them Granadas. But they've obviously come together. There's a bit of a collection today. This fantastic patinated American. We've seen it before, but it always makes me smile. Yes, it is cool. No, I'm not going to paint it. Terrific. Another XJS. The blue roof over silver, a popular colour combo. The Polo Harlequin. That's how they came out the factory. The multicoloured version. Indian. Wow. I don't know much about bikes, but I know that's cool. 80s GTI. Very nice. More modern for my taste, but 90s Alpha. Quite a rarity. I'm absolutely loving what I'm seeing here with these commercials. That is just amazing. That's got to be ex-German Fire Service, surely. Yeah, foil. You see, Sven, I pay attention when I watch your videos. BFD Drives, check it out folks. Really, really good channel based over in Germany. I've seen similar on his channel. I knew, looking at it, that was going to be ex-Fire Service. That is just amazing to see in this country. As indeed is this. Good morning! Wow, that's fresh. Chevrolet